My people, agree to now. You know, as a pastor and as a rock door, there are something where at the year and it became worry. I just hear say some people die of say but first of all, why you no commit? Mess hungry you. Something we call great, you no create one. You dey disobey God now. And you go keep account of yourself on the last day. Why you no commit? Now you know pass God. Now what you want tell me? You know pass God. Person will create something say release am anytime we hungry you. Release. Then you now you no go create mess. Because of say sabi pass, right? Now mumu is real. Now he don't die now. As he die now, where he go? What if where if he say he go? He go F na be they go where? You know no say there's something. Okay. All I want to say now is you have to miss when miss hungry you. Because I find out say I can't even hear say now because of the environment where they find yourself. That's why they know they create miss. Say some feed market, some days school, some day meeting. So because of that they will not miss because they don't want this place. Okay, now I want to give you a solution on how you can miss anytime, any environment, anywhere you find yourself, and this solution will work. Go work in Jesus' name. Now, you know say if you clap your hand, mess. Person know here is sound. You know say if you dey meeting begin argue, begin quarrel, mess. Person know say na you mess. Now you know say if you talk there is mess. Person know say na you mess. Na true. If you war, I beg you, no try am. No do any of this pattern. As long as you will walk, no rule. Because the moment you rule, you measure, you no measure, then go suspicion on you. So don't try.
And I am mumu like too much. You be mumu, things say they wise. Mumu man.